Hey guys, it's Sports Everything back with another video, and today we're going to be doing what's inside my baseball bags. So let's get into it. So in my actual baseball bag that I carry on my back, I have a Mako Beast 2131. It's a Pewee bat, drop 10, 2 5/8 barrel. This is the bat that I use in games, so there you go. Okay, and then my other bat, green bat over there, is it's a Mako Twerk. It's 31-23 ounce, 2 5/8 barrel bat, and it's a drop 8 Mako Twerk. And this is my backup bat. It's heavier than this bat, so I use it for slower pitchers. Okay, now I have my baseball helmet. It's just a regular helmet, and that team right there, it's the GP Reds, Grand Prairie Reds. It's a AA baseball team. It's just that helmet. Okay, and then now we're gonna go inside the bag and see what I have in here. So first thing that I have is this Evo Shield wrist protector. I just put it on like that for when I'm batting, and I'm a catcher, so I put it on like this for when I'm blocking when I'm a catcher. So there we go. Okay, and then I have my Easton batting gloves. I just got them like a month ago, so they're pretty brand new. So there you go. And I also have a Evo Shield elbow protector for batting. So you just go like that. Protects you for when the ball comes and hits you, maybe. And then the next thing I have is my A2000 baseball glove, and I put a wiffle ball in it just to keep its shape so it doesn't get deformed and get squished in the bag. So it has the nice light skin on the back. A2000. I'm still kind of breaking it in, so this is like my backup glove that I use in practices and stuff. Okay, and then this is my game glove. It's just the Rawlings Chris Bryant Select Pro Light Leather, and this is the one I use in the games because it's really broken in. And yeah, and then there's a little string there that broke, but I don't really care about that. Okay, the next thing I have in here is my lizard skin catcher's glove. So what it's meant to do is has all this padding in right here, and it's for when you're catching because pitchers throw hard. It just pads your hand more, so it has like this padding right here, there. It's a nice glove. Okay, and then I have my J-band for warming up. So you just hook it onto your fence and then you warm up your arms with it. And then I have my GP Reds jacket in case it rains. It's a windbreaker. Nice jacket. And then the last thing I have is a really old Mizuno back catcher glove that's just like my just really backup glove, like I barely use it. It's just in the bottom of my bag in case I break my catcher's glove because it's happened before. So yeah, there's this bag, and then put that back in there. Put that back in there. And then I might have some stuff in this top compartment thing. Just some sunglasses, some Easton sweatbands, and a chin strap. We don't use chin straps, but we went to a tournament in BC, and you had to have one, so we just always have it in there just in case. Okay, and I think that's it for this bag. So we'll move it over here. And then this is my catcher's bag. So this is my GP Reds hat. Just this is what I wear for games and practices and stuff. And then this is the back catcher glove I'm breaking in. It's an A1000 back catcher glove. Still breaking it in, I'm not using it yet. So then we'll get into my actual back catcher bag. So I have a Easton 13-inch chest protector. And I have Easton shin guards with all-star knee savers on them. And then the other one's right here. And then this is my helmet, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just a Rawlings helmet. Then in this other side pocket that I have over here is my game catcher's glove, which is just the Rawlings catcher's glove. And I put a ball in it again to just keep its form. This one is really broken in and it feels really nice. It's a player leather and it's 31.5 inch. And it has this finger protector. Just good for putting like a tag down or something. Okay, so this was what was inside my baseball bags today. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.